Once we have designed the PV array capacity, then we have to see the further parameter like a backup. So here actually if we are using the backup generator for our system, then also we just we have to click on this, and here we just give the backup generator if we are using the 1.5 kilowatt 3 kilowatt of an generator. So if it is not, we can just untick mark it and we just go for further parameter. If I want to select this particular simplified sketch also, here also you can find the PV array like this, and parallelly the backup generator we are connecting, and this is the battery we are connecting to the controller, and further the power has been given to the user needs over here. So basically the SLD diagram we cannot import into the PVSyst software. Separately if we can prepare after we are understanding these particular systems. Once we have done this all the parameter like the storage, then we have a PV array, then we have a backup, then the simplified sketch, then we'll have to just click on the OK button and we can just save these parameters.